Hello everyone, let's talk about breathwork. Breathwork is referred to any type of breathing exercises where we intentionally control our breath patterns to alter our mental, physical, or emotional state. Breathwork is a very popular practice these days. However, breathwork started thousands of years ago and has its origins in mindfulness practices such as yoga. Breathwork is one of the most powerful techniques I know to bypass the conscious mind, balance our nervous system, release stress, trauma, and access higher level of consciousness. There are a wide variety of breathwork techniques and methods, some very complex and others extremely simple, but each of them provides different benefits to our system. While breathwork is a powerful technique, it can also be harmful, so it's important to understand the consequences that breathwork might bring to our mental and physical health if we don't practice it correctly. Breathwork can unlock trauma and unbalance our nervous system in a very bad way. If you are new to this practice, make sure you start with gentle techniques to get familiar with this work and balance your nervous system before diving deeper into a more intense breathwork. You can always start by just becoming aware of your breath. If you want to learn more about breathwork or to practice with me, reach out on the comments below. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you.